Angola and its Cabinda province have recoverable reserves totaling more than 9.5 billion barrels of oil and 10.8 trillion cubic feet of natural gas. Block 15 is the largest producing deepwater block in Angola. The offshore petroleum development zone is located in the Congo Basin and has estimated total recoverable hydrocarbon reserves of 5 billion barrels. Discovered by ExxonMobil affiliate Esso Exploration Angola in 1998, the giant Kizomba field with over 2 billion barrels of recoverable reserves launched Angola's commercial production rise and the country's membership in OPEC in 2007. The development of the Kizomba field was a phased-in process, with production beginning in 2004 and full development occurring in 2008. Angola's Block 17 includes the Dahlia and Paz-Flor fields. Dahlia was first discovered in 1997. It began production in 2006 and has estimated recoverable reserves of 1 billion barrels. Paz-Flor field, discovered in 2000 and located northeast of Dahlia, is estimated by the operator, Total, to contain recoverable reserves of 590 million barrels. The field first began to produce in 2011. Equatorial Guinea has an estimated 1.1 billion barrels of recoverable reserves and boasts the first deepwater field brought online in West Africa. The giant Zafiro field was discovered in 1995 by ExxonMobil and Ocean Energy. It is located northwest of Bioko Island, and it contained the bulk of the country's recoverable reserves. Zafiro began production using a floating production storage and offloading vessel in 1996. Equatorial Guinea's major hydrocarbon contribution, however, is its natural gas resources. The Alba field is estimated to have up to 4.4 trillion cubic feet of reserves or an equivalent 759 million barrels of oil. This enormous supply allowed government officials to justify significant infrastructure development on Bioko Island for exporting liquefied natural gas and oil. Gabon is West Africa's second-largest reserves holder with 2 billion barrels of recoverable reserves. The giant Robicanga field was discovered in 1985 and began production in 1989. Originally, Robicanga was estimated to have 440 million barrels of reserves, but this was increased in 1993 to 850 million barrels following a reappraisal, the creation of additional facilities, and infill drilling by the Shell Petroleum Company. By the early 21st century, however, only a fraction of this amount remained for further production. United States, Mexico, and Canada. Oil and gas fields of North America. Oil and gas fields of North America. Sedimentary basins and major oil and gas fields of North America. North America has many sedimentary basins. Basins in the United States have been intensively explored, and their oil resources developed. More than 33,000 oil fields have been found, but there are only two supergiants, Prudhoe Bay, in the North Slope region of Alaska, and East Texas. Cumulatively, the United States has produced more oil than any other country. Its proven oil reserve.